In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your recent searches on Safari. Instead of deleting, you can just hide your recent searches on your Safari in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Safari. Before typing or searching for anything, tap right here on this bookmark icon. Then click on the number of tabs you have on your screen. Select the second option of Private. On this private page, tap on the plus icon on your bottom left to add a private bookmark. Now you can be able to search for anything privately without deleting it after. Make sure after you are done, get back to the normal bookmarks. Just tap right here. Then select Private. And get back to the normal pages. That's how easy it is to hide your recent searches of Safari. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.